Hi friends. Welcome to Homelee Diaries. Today's recipe is butter chicken.
For that I have taken 250 grams of chicken. Marinate it with salt, chili powder, turmeric, coriander, pepper, yogurt, kasturi methi, garam masala, ginger garlic paste and oil. Keep it aside for 60 minutes. Other ingredients: cashew, tomato, onion, shallots, fresh cream, ginger and garlic paste, kasturi methi. Now let's cook. Add oil, saturate shallots and onion with a pinch of salt, then add ginger and garlic paste. Onion has turned into a light brown color. Now let's add cashew, tomato, chili powder, butter, add water and cook it for 5 minutes. It's cooked and now we'll grind it into a smooth fine paste. Meanwhile, let's fry our marinated chicken pieces. Take a pan, add oil and butter. Let's fry marinated chicken till the oil separates. Oil has separated. Chicken is perfectly fried and now we'll add our grinded paste to it. Add water as per your requirement for gravy. Perfectly cooked and fresh cream and kasturi methi. Stir it well and cook it just for 2 minutes. Restaurant-style butter chicken is ready. Both aroma and taste is unexplainable. Do try it at home. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.